Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the video scheduler internal error code igdkmd64 sys on your Windows 11 computer. So this is typically associated with a fatality or corrupted display driver. Let's fix that issue, guys. For that, go to search menu and type device manager. Open it, guys. Expand the display adapter section over here, expand it, and whatever display adapter you are using it, nvidia or amd or anything like that, just want to right click it and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. And after getting this message, the best drivers for your device are already installed. You can also search updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on it. If anything listed over here, guys, you just want to download and install it, guys. After getting installed done, go ahead and restart your PC. That should be able to resolve our problem. If this solution doesn't work for you, guys, let's move on to the next solution. Before going to the next solution, you just need to know about it. If you need to more information about your display driver, go to search menu and type system information, sys system information. Click on it. In here you need to select the components, expand it, and select the display. Refreshing system information. Here will be information for display driver and driver version, guys. You just need to check it out. After checking it, close out of here, open up a web browser. You just need to search for your driver manufacturer website, guys. You just want to, if you are using like nvidia or amd, I'm going to nvidia, guys. nvidia drivers, press enter and click on nvidia official website, nvidia drivers downloads. Click on it. And you just need to select your product type and product serials. You just want to select it and select your everything information over here. After giving it, click on search and you will be getting the updated version of your driver, guys. You just want to click on download and you just want to install it, guys. After getting installed, hopefully that can able to resolve your problem for nvidia drivers. And you can also search for amd. If you are using amd driver, click on amd drivers and click on amd drivers and support. We just need to click on download windows drivers, auto detect and install drivers updates for amd Radeon series graphics and Ryzen chipsets. Just want to download this, guys. Just want to download this and you just want to install it, guys. After installing it, hopefully your problem has been resolved. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.